How are you?
I'm good, and you?
Good, good. So tell me what happened.
Okay, so we were at PacSun, and I had put like my keys somewhere, like right on top of like something I was looking for, and then when I went to go get them, they were gone.
Your keys?
Like, yeah, like my well, it's like this. So
Okay.
it had like money in it, all my cards, like my work key.
Okay.
And
inside PacSun, right?
Yeah, it's just inside PacSun.
Okay.
And then yeah, like they were stolen, and then the only reason I noticed is because like I got a notification from my bank that somebody had bought something from Foot Locker.
Okay.
So I ran to Foot Locker. When I walked into Foot Locker, they were there.
Okay.
But I didn't recognize them.
June 14th, 2024, Dolphin Mall, Sweetwater, Florida. A 42-year-old woman made a decision that took about 30 seconds and cost her everything that followed. She spotted a set of keys on the floor inside PacSun. Instead of turning them in, she took them, walked straight to Foot Locker, and ran the stolen credit cards. The victim got a bank alert on her phone before she even noticed the keys were gone. She ran to Foot Locker and found them there. Officers were called. This is what happened next.
Right now, follow my instructions and I'll explain everything to you. You understand what I'm saying? About a credit card. So turn around. Okay.
I got my own stuff in my wallet. Where is my wallet? Can I go make my purchase?
Your safety and mine.
Yeah, man, for no reason, bro.
Ma'am, right here. We're conducting an investigation. Both of them detained or what? Both detained? You gotta be detained for now. Put your hands behind your back.
What did I do?
Put your hands behind your back.
Come on, baby.
Put the baby in the stroller. Can you get the baby in the stroller? There you go. And here you want it.
So where I'm going?
But now you're being detained, right?
So where we going with my wallet?
Right there. It's right there where you stuck.
The male subject in custody outside of...
I'm sweating like hell.
Ma'am, this is not the time to have time, man.
I'm opening it for my baby,
I'll open
sir.
it for you. There you go.
Okay, listen.
Ma'am.
I'm not going anywhere.
We asked you to stay over here. Now we're gonna put you in the car, right?
Here you go, right here. I'm not moving anywhere.
Hey, it's open, Maple. I'm gonna bring my car. I'm gonna put it inside.
I'm asking you to stand still. You can move it around. If you can't do that, it don't matter. It don't matter. That's not the problem. We're asking you to stand still. You can't be walking around doing this and that. You're gonna go in the car. Okay? So have a seat over here or stand over here.
I'm just sweating.
Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and pat you down there.
Okay.
Stand over here. Hold on. Okay, stop. You're doing way too much. Stand over here. You trying to take your jacket off? All right.
Put my pants over here.
There are your pants, and that's why you're hiding them in your clothes. Stand over here.
No.
They're investigating right now, so have a seat.
Oh my, that's why I'm moving around. Can
I got
take this
you.
off? Please?
Okay, well, I'm not going to take off the cuff right now. You're moving around way too much. So
No,
just
I ain't
have
say
a
the
seat.
cuff. I'm talking about my jacket.
Yeah, that's fine. No.
Is there some way you can give me some water, please?
I don't have any water on me.
Yeah. Can you wrap my hair up for me?
Here.
Can you do it for me?
Here.
Sakina!
Here, just have a seat, please.
I want
Have
a candy out.
Okay, no, I'm not going to give you no candy and no phone. Just have a seat. Just have a seat. Ma'am. Ma'am. You hear me talking to you? Have a seat.
I don't want to sit down. I'm hot.
Okay, well, I can't have you. You're walking up and down. No, you are. You're over there. You're over here. You're going to go in the car next.
Give me one of your candies.
We're not going to have no candies. No. I told you that like 5 times already. All right, you're going to have to take a seat. Take a seat, please. Can you open up your car just so I can open the door so she can have a seat? Yes, sir, I'm going to leave the door open. Just have a seat right here. Okay, well, I'm not going to tell you again, though, because...
So I'm getting arrested?
Listen to me. Look at me real quick. Your daughter's here. Your daughter's doing show. Make her happy. Don't play games with me right now. Your daughter is gonna go with him. You're gonna get inside. Look at me. Look at me. Hello. Is that her father? You're gonna get in the police car without causing a problem.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Get in the police car now.
So I'm being arrested?
Get in the police car now. Walk over here.
He said I'm getting
Hello?
arrested.
Listen to me. Don't make
Your
this
baby's right
difficult.
here, man. Come
Just
on.
sit inside of the police car, okay? Sit inside the police car. Nobody's leaving until we say it's time to go. Did you double lock her?
Yeah.
All right.
First.
Sit inside the car.
I'm
Stop
just trying to say
talking.
something
Stop.
to my baby daddy.
We are in control of this, okay? Nobody's gonna do nothing until we say so. Get inside the car. Sit inside the car correctly.
So I'm not.
Watch your legs.
Let me get the. You have a Miranda card?
The receipt. Let me see. Ma'am, what's your name?
Shaquanda.
Chawanda?
Shaquanda.
Okay. I'm gonna read you your Miranda warnings, okay? Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me now?
Yes.
Okay. Why is this in your purse?
Okay. I'm gonna be honest. I was like walking out of the store after I was looking for like a shirt to get.
What store?
PacSun.
Okay.
And I seen the keys on the floor.
Hmm.
And instead of me being honest, I took the keys.
Okay.
And I'm not like that, honestly.
Okay.
And I know that I did a bad decision.
But
When
what
I could've
happened after
just-
you took the keys?
I went and made a purchase.
Where at? Okay. And then what?
That was it.
That was it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, thank you for being honest with me, okay? Let me talk to my officers over here and just sit tight, okay?
Can I ask you a question?
What?
Would I be arrested or can I get a promise to appear, please?
Okay. I'm gonna figure that out now. Just give me a few minutes, all right? Just be patient, all right?
When officers arrived, both subjects were already identified at the scene. Under Terry versus Ohio, 392 United States 1, officers may detain individuals briefly when there is reasonable, articulable suspicion of criminal activity. The victim's live identification cleared that bar immediately. Reasonable suspicion is a lower threshold than probable cause. It does not require certainty, it requires specific, articulable facts pointing to criminal conduct. Here, those facts were already in hand before the officers said a word. The male companion, Manuel, was placed in handcuffs as part of the investigative hold. Not an arresta, temporary restraint authorized under Terry while officers sorted out who did what. The female subject, Shaconda Deshe Jean-Baptiste, was detained separately. She kept moving around, asking what she had done. Officers declined to explain, which is lawful during an active investigation. Officers do not have to reveal their evidence or state their charges during an investigative detention. Florida courts have consistently upheld this. It protects the integrity of the inquiry and prevents subjects from tailoring their story to known facts. A child was present at the scene, an infant in a stroller. Officers confirmed that Manuel was the father, allowing them to release the child into his care without triggering a separate child welfare response. That was the right call. Once it was clear Jean-Baptiste was not free to leave, custody had attached. That is the legal threshold. At that point, questioning without Miranda would have made any resulting statements inadmissible under the Fifth Amendment. The officer read Miranda before asking a single substantive question. Miranda versus Arizona. 384 United States. 436 Any statement obtained through custodial interrogation without prior advisement is suppressible. The officer got this right. Jean-Baptiste waived her rights and chose to speak. That waiver was knowing and voluntary on the record. What she said next eliminated almost every viable defense she had. She admitted she saw the keys on the floor inside PacSun. She admitted she took them. She admitted she went to Foot Locker and made a purchase. That is a full confession to every element of the underlying offense and tape. Post-Miranda, Florida Statute 812.022, subsection 4, creates a rebuttable presumption. Possession of a stolen credit card is treated as evidence the holder knew it was stolen. Her verbal admission made that presumption irrebuttable.
Oh, sorry, you all right?
Please, sir.
All right, let me close the door and be patient with me, and I'll get with you, okay? Shaquanda.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anything you want to tell me about the cash?
Yes, sir.
About this?
Sir, yes.
What do you want to tell me about this? What's that?
I'm gonna go to jail.
What? I'm asking you a question. Tell me about this.
That's not mine.
This is not yours. Okay. You sure, right?
Yes, the dollars are mine.
The dollars, but you don't recognize this. This is not yours.
No, sir.
Okay. Why is it in your wallet?
I did, like I said, instead of being honest, I went inside someone's things that didn't belong to me and I took it out.
Okay. All right. All right. All right. So I got your card, your license. Okay. Those are the young. These are the person that reported the thing. Okay. So I'm gonna give this back to her.
Please, can I get a promise to appear?
She's gonna do a search on you. Okay, real quick. She's got to pass search really quick. Okay.
I'm going to jail.
Either way, you're still under arrest right now. Whether it's a PTA, you go to jail, it's still an arrest. Okay. So
you can just please for my baby, please.
No, you kidding? She's safe right now. She's with her daddy. He's the father, right?
Please.
Okay. All right. Give me a moment. I'm gonna talk to my sergeant, and I'll tell you now what's gonna happen. Okay. Give me like 2 minutes. Let me go talk to him. I'll come back. Okay. Huh?
Is he good to go? Or
yeah, he's good to go. I just needed to find this. This belongs to the victim, and that's it.
Oh, 2 credit cards?
It's two cars and $50.
Oh.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Manuel.
Let me see your.
Be trespass from
let me see your ID.
Okay, that means you. Yeah, give it back.
All right. Thank you.
That means that you can't come back.
I can't come.
At least for a year. Okay. After, look.
Some of them honors.
It's okay. After a year, then they'll forgive you. But for right now, you're gonna go.
Fresh.
Hey.
Okay.
I need to speak with him as far as with my keys and stuff. So what I'm being arrested? What I'm being
I'll tell you right now. All right, step out real quick for me. I'm gonna just pat you down again.
Fresh.
All right, listen. Okay. No.
Come out.
All right, right there. Spread your feet, real wide.
Come out.
I'm gonna get arrested.
Face me.
So it's 2 things. All right. Theft or fraud. Fraud is a felony. So you got to get the right, all right?
Where's the baby?
All right, listen. Pay attention. He's talking to you.
You understand? Okay. If not, I will PTA, but not with the fraud. I can't do it. Okay.
We're trying to call
No, it's not even that. It's just.
That's what I was speaking. That's why you gotta be so. Don't disorder. Hey, listen. Don't disorder conduct. Don't disorder
Listen,
conduct.
we're giving you the courtesy that you're talking to her.
Yeah, I know. I
She shouldn't be talking to anybody. Get inside the car, close the door, and you get out of here. That's it. We're done.
You heard me? My keys, my
Ma'am, get
phone,
inside
my
the
wallet.
car.
Don't get him nothing.
Ma'am, get inside the car. Get inside the car,
I
man.
am, sir. You ain't giving me a chance to get in the
Get
car.
inside the car.
Let me get in the car.
Get
Bro,
inside the
let me
car.
get in the car.
Get inside the
Why
car.
you pushing me, bro?
Get inside the car. Get inside the
I fought you
car.
back. You ain't gonna say I fought you.
Get inside the
Only thing y'all
car. I'm not
say
trying to
is
fight
this.
you. Get your ass
I'm
inside
trying
the
to get
car.
myself in the car, bro.
Okay.
You don't try to say that I touched you, bro.
Let it go.
Bro, no, 'cause
Why you don't check
Hey,
out?
clear. Clear before you get arrested too. I've already told you 3 times. Clear.
But that's my own daughter, my baby.
You got 2 seconds to clear because your ass going to jail next. And that's why nobody talks to anybody once they're inside the car.
Yeah.
Okay?
Good job, sir.
Damn, I'm in jail on a Friday night, man.
She asked about a promise to appear a civil citation in lieu of jail. The officer told her no. That answer was legally correct. Under Florida law, a promise to appear is not available for felony charges. Period. Florida Statute 817.60 classifies unlawful possession of a stolen credit card as a third-degree felony. Third-degree felonies carry up to 5 years in Florida state prison. For any felony, Florida law mandates of physical arrest officers have no discretion. This is a detail many people in her position do not understand until it is too late. The difference between a misdemeanor and a felony is not just severity, it changes every procedural option available at the scene. Jean-Baptiste was also charged with resisting an officer without violence under Florida Statute 843.02. Her repeated refusal to stay seated and comply with officer instructions during the detention period supplied the factual basis for that charge. The 4th charge contributing to the delinquency or dependency of a child under Florida Statute 827.04 is the most legally contestable count. Prosecution will need to establish that the child's welfare was materially endangered. Not merely that the child was present at an arrest scene. Manuel was not arrested. He received a formal trespass warning from Dolphin Mall barring him from the property for a minimum of 1 year. Officers used discretion here, proportionate to his apparent level of involvement. A third party associated with Manuel attempted to approach the scene despite repeated officer orders to stay back. Officers warned her directly or the area or face arrest. She eventually complied. The officer's language was blunt. The legal authority behind the order was sound. Now the grades. Starting with the lead officer B+. Miranda was read correctly. Probable cause was solid. Force never went above soft, empty hand control throughout a chaotic, multi-subject scene with a child present. The officer consulted the sergeant before making the final disposition decision on Jean-Baptiste. That is, chain of command discipline working the way it should. One deduction communication standard slipped under pressure language toward the third-party bystander created unnecessary civil liability exposure. Chacun de déchet, Jean-Baptiste. She committed the original theft. She escalated it into a felony by using the cards. She waived Miranda and confessed on record. Each of those decisions compounded the legal damage. To her credit, she did not physically resist arrest. She was honest with the officer after Miranda. But honesty, however genuine, is not a defense. It is evidence. And it was used exactly that way. Manuel B-, not charged. Cooperative enough to take custody of the child. Extended period of non-compliance before he settled down, and the third-party chaos around his vehicle kept pressure on officers longer than necessary. The Department B, procedurally clean where it mattered most, Miranda. Probable cause. Felony arrest mandate. Child welfare. Minor deductions for communication professionalism and the contributing to delinquency charge, which may face a legal challenge at the charging stage. Here is the takeaway. This case did not hinge on a complex legal question. It turned on a simple decision made in second stake, the keys or leave them. Everything that followed was a consequence of that one choice. If you find property that does not belong to you, Florida Statute 812.014 covers theft of lost or mislaid property. Taking item without force or confrontation can constitute theft under Florida law. That is the statute. The keys were not a gray area. The second lesson, waiving Miranda, is almost never in a suspect's interest in a situation like this. She was already caught on camera. The victim had already identified her. A confession added nothing to her defense and everything to the prosecution's case. The right to remain silent exists precisely for moments like this one. It does not signal guilt. It signals that you understand the process well enough to protect yourself. She did not use it. That decision will follow her into court. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And do not forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.